Technology and futurism were both big influences on mid-century modern design. The space race dramatically changed the 20th century. In the United States, money poured into education to make American students smart enough to build a rocket. And what would we find once we got to space? Designers went about creating some of the wackiest things they could think of. The modern era also gave us a material that would change our lives: plastic. Plastics had technically been around since 1907, when a Belgian chemist wanted a replacement for ivory. But after the United States won World War II, an unprecedented access to oil made plastic in the US explode. Plastic is lightweight and highly moldable, which makes it perfect for mass production and mass distribution. Everything was made out of plastics in the 50s, 60s, and 70s: polyester, formica, vinyl, and plastic made wonky shapes like these possible. Diners are a really great place to see examples of mid-century modern design. But in Brazil, there was a mid-century modern revolution happening completely without plastics. The never-before-seen shapes of mid-century modern truly transcended their materials. You might also hear mid-century modern design referred to as googie, kitsch, mod, or bossa nova. Let's watch as mid-century modern quite literally takes over the planet.